Hey friends, if you wish to take full page screenshots on Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. Now we obviously have the option with sniping tool, but Microsoft Edge makes it better for web pages. So all you need to do is click on these three dots at the top right corner and select this option here which says screenshot. So select capture full page and it will capture the whole page and give you a screenshot of the same. This is the screen capture tool for Microsoft Edge, and it's a little different from a sniping tool. It is specifically for web pages, and you can also use the shortcut which is Control Shift and S. Let me show you. Control Shift and S, and then it opens the tool. Then you can say capture the full screen. You can also capture a certain part of the screen. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.